I think one of the biggest things I see happening is wanting to speak te reo Māori to their pēpi as soon as pēpi is born is really important to them, and start having that mana motuhake, to be honest.
Kia ora. So we're in the heart of our hapūtanga here in Manurewa. This is our beautiful marae. And just down to the left here is going to be our clinic where all our whānau can start to come to have pēpi.
The need to connect whānau back to something that helps them feel whole. You know, not all of us speak te reo, not all of us have even been to our marae. And this gives us a space of safety to be able to do that. We only make up 7 to 9% of the workforce, so there's obviously a huge need for Māori midwives in New Zealand. In here, I envision a space that is purposefully built from a tikanga perspective, that we have shelving to accommodate the photos of our tūpuna. So when I envision this place and what I see that whānau need, they need a place where they can come collectively with whānau and not be asking, how many am I allowed? We burst beautifully. We deserve to have beautiful views like this and beautiful spaces, so that we're not so needing of these other systems that don't always do us well. The intention is to weave that kōrero in and to include our kaumātua. It's like just breathing air back onto those embers, and it ignites that fire, and then they remember. You know, many a times I've had kaumātua cry in the realisation of what's been done to them. But then that is only short-lived, because it's also filled with a happiness that now their moko is reclaiming the right way to do things. Yeah, it's pretty amazing to see it coming to life, and it's amazing seeing the reaction from whānau. We've got these 2 spaces where the wānanga space next door is just another extension of this mahi. Mums, papa and their babies can come along, they have a kai, and they will learn all things to do with hapūtanga. I just see this whole building being what I saw it back then. It's endless, really, the potential here. You get to walk alongside a whānau for almost a year. You know, you're there when life enters into this world. I mean, it's indescribable. It makes me want to tear up now just telling you that. I think I've got the best job in the world, I really do.